Hi, I'm Patricia and this is my instrument using PureData and Arduino. My instrument creates 6 different atmospheres that use soundscapes and coloured lights to induce certain atmospheres. Horror, desert, flower field, forest, ocean, and space. The following heuristics of interactive usability design were used to ensure a good user experience. The interface has a minimalist design showing only the most important elements and minimal text, making it easy to comprehend. There is a clear match between the system and the real world, as the keyboard keys are in the same order and orientation on the interface as they are on the keyboard, and also match the order and colour of the lights so the user can understand at a quick glance what buttons cause what action. Users have control and freedom as there is an option to turn the sound off. There is also an open and close object outside of the main focus, so if needed, the user can disconnect from the lights. However, it is somewhat out of the way as it's not a necessary function, but is still important to access. The creation of this project involved wiring 8 relays to 8 plugs and linking this to an Arduino, which gives my MacBook the ability to turn the relays on and off with Arduino and PureData programming. I researched and drew diagrams of how to wire this. I then bought the equipment, drilled holes for the plugs into the box, and put the Arduino, the 8 relay switches, a 5-volt power source for the relay, and the 8 plugs in the box. I wired this up, as you can see here, making sure it was safe. This was the end result. I then plugged in one lamp with the simple Arduino code turning the relay on and off. I was very happy to see that it was working, so I added more and more lamps. I eventually ordered 8 LED strips so I could have control over colour and make the most out of this system. The Arduino code for this is similar to what is shown here. In PureData, I used a COM port object to connect the Arduino to PureData, and used the serial function to read and write between programs. You can see here that PD is receiving the numbers from the Arduino code when I open the connection. Next, I added a number box that would pass these numbers to the Arduino. The code on the right makes the corresponding light turn on when the number is received. After many attempts and a lot of research, you can see it finally working in this video here. Next, I added keyboard inputs that would change the number being passed based on what number you press on the keyboard. This part of the PD program is similar to what we learnt in class. And then finally I added some sound. I found 6 different soundscapes, one for each colour. Each sound is 5 minutes long and it infinitely loops. It turns on the same way the lights do, where it takes input from the keyboard and turns it on when the corresponding number has been pressed, and off when another number has been pressed. I also added that 7th key which mutes the sound completely so that you can just sit with the lights if you don't want any audio. Here's the final version. Thank you.